Hello everyone. Today we're diving into an important topic, the benefits of regular exercise on mental health. Physical activity isn't just about staying fit, it profoundly impacts our mental well-being too. Studies show that exercise can reduce stress, alleviate anxiety and depression, and enhance overall mood. Join me as we explore how regular exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, improves sleep quality, and boosts self-esteem. Together, we'll uncover the transformative power of movement in nurturing a healthier mind. Let's embark on a journey to discover how exercise can be a cornerstone of mental wellness in our lives. Today, we will talk about benefits of regular exercise on mental health. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Regular exercise is not only crucial for physical fitness, but also plays a significant role in promoting mental well-being. This comprehensive guide explores the myriad benefits of exercise on mental health, including its effects on mood, stress reduction, cognitive function, and overall psychological well-being. Understanding these benefits underscores the importance of incorporating regular physical activity into daily routines for improved mental health outcomes. 1. Introduction to exercise and mental health. Exercise encompasses various forms of physical activity that promote movement and exertion, benefiting both the body and mind. While exercise is widely recognized for its physical health benefits, such as improving cardiovascular fitness and maintaining a healthy weight, its impact on mental health is equally profound. Engaging in regular exercise can positively influence mood, reduce stress levels, enhance cognitive function, and contribute to overall psychological resilience. 2. Effects of exercise on mood regulation. Exercise has a direct impact on mood regulation through several physiological and psychological mechanisms. Endorphin release. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, neurotransmitters in the brain known as feel-good chemicals. Endorphins promote feelings of euphoria and reduce perceptions of pain, contributing to an improved mood. Stress reduction. Regular exercise reduces levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, promoting relaxation and lowering overall stress levels. This helps alleviate tension, anxiety, and symptoms of chronic stress. 3. Impact of exercise on mental health disorders. Exercise is recognized as a complementary approach in managing and alleviating symptoms of various mental health disorders. Depression. Physical activity has been shown to be effective in reducing symptoms of depression by enhancing mood, promoting social interaction in group activities, and providing a sense of achievement and self-efficacy. Anxiety disorders. Exercise can reduce symptoms of anxiety disorders by promoting relaxation, improving sleep quality, and reducing physiological arousal associated with anxiety. Stress management. Engaging in regular exercise helps individuals cope with stress more effectively by promoting resilience, enhancing emotional regulation, and providing a distraction from stressors. 4. Cognitive benefits of exercise. Regular physical activity enhances cognitive function and supports brain health through various mechanisms. Enhanced memory and learning. Aerobic exercise has been linked to improved memory, attention, and executive function. It enhances blood flow to the brain, supporting the delivery of oxygen and nutrients critical for cognitive processes. Reduced risk of cognitive decline. Physical activity is associated with a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. 5. Psychological benefits of exercise. In addition to mood regulation and cognitive enhancement, exercise offers numerous psychological benefits. Enhanced self-esteem. Regular exercise improves self-esteem and body image, fostering a positive sense of self-worth and confidence. Social interaction. Participating in group exercise classes or team sports promotes social interaction and the sense of belonging, which are vital for mental health and well-being. 6. Types of exercise beneficial for mental health. Various types of exercise can benefit mental health, each offering unique advantages. Aerobic exercise. Activities such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, and dancing increase heart rate and oxygen intake, promoting endorphin release and enhancing mood. Strength training. Resistance exercises using weights or resistance bands build muscle strength and endurance, improving overall physical health and boosting self-esteem. Yoga and Pilates. These mind-body practices combine physical postures, breathing exercises, and mindfulness techniques to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and improve flexibility. 7. Exercise as a tool for stress management. Managing stress is essential for maintaining mental health and overall well-being. Exercise serves as an effective stress management tool by promoting relaxation. Physical activity reduces tension in the body and promotes relaxation through the release of endorphins and reduction of cortisol levels. Improving sleep quality. Regular exercise improves sleep duration and quality, which is essential for stress recovery and overall mental health. 8. Practical tips for incorporating exercise into daily life. To maximize the mental health benefits of exercise, consider the following tips. Set realistic goals. Start with achievable goals and gradually increase the duration and intensity of exercise over time. Find activities you enjoy. Choose activities that you find enjoyable and engaging to maintain motivation and consistency. Schedule regular exercise. Allocate dedicated time for exercise in your daily or weekly schedule to prioritize physical activity. Mix up your routine. Incorporate variety into your exercise routine by trying different activities or alternating between aerobic, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Stay hydrated and nourished. Drink plenty of water and consume a balanced diet to support energy levels, hydration, and overall health. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your exercise intensity or duration as needed to prevent injury and promote recovery. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.